Hi lovelies, you're welcome back to my channel. Today is for egusi soup. This recipe, I'm not going to be doing the frying method. I will cook straight like we're cooking the egusi. So if you like lumpy egusi soup, you can still achieve it without frying. That's what this video is all about. So sit tight as I take you through this journey. So guys, we're starting by cooking the meat. I just introduced some onion, some seasoning cube, salt, and more is also entering. We're gonna give it a good stir it, then cover and cook for some minutes. We are back now and see now. Remember, I didn't add water at the beginning, so I am adding our stockfish, with egusi soup with that stockfish. It's not complete though. So we are adding water now, so it will cook properly. That other thing you are seeing is dry fish. I'll add it later. So back to my egusi, I blended with pepper. So it's not a must though that you blend it with pepper. I just chose to. You can just blend only egusi. So I went with some salt to give it a good taste. I blended some onion. We are adding it to it, just trying to form a paste. That's what will help us to produce the lumps we are looking for. So at this point, it is set. I'll set it aside, then go back to prep our vegetable. Guys, I be pro for vegetable. See now, see how tiny this vegetable is looking. Guys, see the great work I'm doing here just for you. And if you've not liked this video to this point, what are you waiting for now? Please like, and if you're new here, please subscribe. Click on the subscribe button, please. And back to our meat pot. I'm trying to remove the stockfish, though the stockfish is small. Trying to remove them so that it will not be too soft, because we are about starting the cooking proper. So I have to add more water, then I'll cover, wait for it to boil before we put in the egusi. Bit by bit. See what I'm doing? Just make sure you follow what I am doing here. Please remember not to turn, not to stir as you're adding the egusi. If not, if not, you'll not be able to, and you will not get the lumps you are looking for. Now I'm adding oil, then I'll cover. Hi guys, see now this egusi divorced my brain. Like, can you see the lumps now? Can you see the lumps? So at this point, I go ahead to break some of the lumps because I don't want it that is. I'm just showing you. So if you like it that big, I can leave it to continue cooking that way. But I have to break some of them. So now that only fish is entering. It's actually soft. That's why I didn't add it at the beginning. I didn't want it to be, I don't want to be looking for it. So now I'm going in with my crayfish, some seasoning cube, just I think one, because I already used some seasoning cube to steam our meat. Give it a good stir it. Oh, I'm testing. Guys, this soup is so delicious. Like, I just needed to add a little salt. That it was only salt that it needed. Remember the stockfish I brought out earlier? I just added it now. I will allow everything to combine. Guys, this just like no. See, it's too thick for me. This soup like this is too thick. I would have added water, but my husband doesn't like watery soup. He likes everything he's eating to be so thick. So you can't give me one now. As a good wife I am, so I have to give him what he loves. And I just added our vegetable, guys. Oh, mm, this soup is everything. I'm telling you. I'm not trying to hype myself, but I dey cook. Adabe, she go do no, me go no. See, who would ever believe that I did not fry this? Like, if I should bring this soup for you, if I should serve you this meal, will you ever believe I didn't fry this? Egusi? But no. This is so yummy. Guys, please like this video, subscribe if you're new to this channel, and also drop your comment. I love you. Thank you.